Here we have a 67 plate BMW 530D M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with over £9,000 worth of optional extras, all of which are listed on the website, but they include the M Sport Plus package. We have the 20-inch alloy wheels with the blue M Sport brake calipers. We also have the black exterior paintwork, the LED headlights, 2 gloss black front kiddie grills. We have the full M Performance kit, which includes the gloss black front splitter. Round to the passenger side, you find we have the second alloy wheel, again unmarked, the blue M Sport brake calipers, with the side skirt extensions along the bottom, colour-coded door handles and door mirrors, the black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers. We have the shark fin antennae up top, also at the rear spoiler lip, just there, nice and subtle. We have front and rear parking sensors with a visual display inside. We also have the dual exhaust with the rear diffuser. Now if we walk back round to the driver's side, you find that this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. Having a look at the interior now. So inside of the back, you find we have the full leather interior, foldable armrests in the centre and the fixed ISO points. We have the vents down there for the rear passengers, electric windows on the doors. Again at the front, the full leather interior. Both the front seats are electrically adjustable and they're also both heated. We have the premium Harman Kardon sound system, electric mirrors and electric windows. We have the automatic lights and the automatic wipers. Multifunctional steering wheel with paddle shifters on either side, cruise control and the speed limiter just down the left. High beam assist as well. We have a digital dashboard in front of us. The main entertainment screen just here, so turn that on. You find we have the sat nav just here. Now if this screen is flickering, then that's just the camera, it's not flickering in real life, so nothing to worry about. So we do have a range of media, such as the DAB radio. We also have the FM AM stations, the music collection, Bluetooth audio and plenty of other options just there. We have the phone connectivity. We also have the intelligent safety. Press that button just there, you find the intelligent safety appears. We have the climate control, the ice-cold air conditioning, automatic gearbox with the different drive modes, shortcuts just down there for the infotainment screen, electric handbrake with the parking sensors. We also have the auto hold, wireless phone charging just inside of there along with the cup holders. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you'd like to find out more, then please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT, HPI clear and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.